What the? Holy shit! Mom? Mom? Nice. Okay guys, today we're going to trade gold. And we're here at 5 minutes time frame. And let's gonna use gain Salgo V2 Alpha as an indicator. And then maghihintay lang tayo ng signal. So ganun talaga, medyo matagal ibigay ng signal. Hintay lang tayo. Ayan guys, so yan, may signal na. So, buy. So, we gonna buy. Buy tayo ng 2,000. Yan. Yan. Yan tayo. Nice. Nice.